Hello and welcome to this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use the advanced sticky module offered by the HTMega plugin. This module allows you to make any section or element on your website sticky to a selected position. Furthermore, you can get absolute control over that sticky element. For example, how long the element will remain sticky, setting an offset value to move the sticky element from its normal position, and several other functionalities. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. First of all, navigate to the settings page of the plugin. Here you can see a tab named Modules. If you open the tab, you'll find the Advanced Sticky module over here. To unlock the feature, simply enable the module and save the settings. Now, let me show you how you can leverage this feature. As you can see, I've already created a few different sections over here where we'll be using the Advanced Sticky feature. Let's start with this header section. If you click here, you'll see controls on the left sidebar that allow you to customize the section. Next up, open the Advanced tab where you can see a dedicated panel to control the Advanced Sticky feature. If you take a look inside the panel, you'll notice a switcher to enable the feature. Once you enable it, several options will immediately appear. Now let me walk you through the available options. The first option you see here is Sticky Position, which enables you to control the position of a sticky element. Then comes the Z-index option, where you can specify the stacking order of the sticky element on a web page. If you want to displace the sticky element from its normal position, you can set an offset value over here. Next up, you'll find an incredible option called Sticky Until. If you look down a bit, you'll find some switcher options that you can leverage to display the sticky elements when you scroll up, hide it on tablets and mobile devices, and enable sticky animation. In case you want to add a box shadow or modify the background color, you can also do that over here. Once you're done customizing the options according to your requirements, be sure to update them. Now let me show you how to apply the Advanced Sticky feature in an element located under a column and make it sticky. Let's say you want to make this element sticky. To do so, hover over the element and click the edit icon. This will automatically show the controls on the left sidebar that you can use to customize the element. But in this video, our main focus is to learn how to leverage the Advanced Sticky module on an element. So let's navigate to the Advanced tab and open the HTMega Advanced Sticky panel. Now all you have to do is enable the sticky option and configure the rest of the settings according to your needs. After completing the configuration, don't forget to update the changes. Alright, now that we have applied the sticky feature to a few sections of our website, it's time to see the feature in action. If we visit the front end and scroll down to those sections, you'll notice that the sticky feature is perfectly working. That's how easy it is to use the Advanced Sticky module. So what are you waiting for? If you want to make your website content stand out and offer a better user experience to your visitors, give this module a try. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave us a comment below, or you can contact us directly through our website. Our dedicated support team is always ready to help. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video.